Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the basic seam types. Okay guys, let's start to learn about this plain seam, open seam. This seam is common on garment and easy to make, usually used in shoulder, back, and often in all the part of the garment. The constructions. Place the first fabric and mark the seam line. Place the second fabric right side together and mark the seam line. Sew the stitch to the seam line. Overlock the seam allowance edge on each piece separately. The construction when it's open is like this. How to make it? Prepare 2 pieces of fabric. Mark the right side and wrong side. Put it in layer right side together. Mark the seam line about 1 cm seam allowance. Ready to sew. Remember to lock the stitch in the beginning and at the end of the seam line. Sew the both fabrics in the seam line. Trim the thread. Open the garment sample. Turn to the wrong side where the seam allowance is. Open seam allowance and press it in the middle. Overlock the seam allowance edge each side separately. The purpose of overlocking is to avoid the fraying. Here is the result of the right side. The right side in this seam usually used for the outside of the garment, and this is how the wrong side looks like with the open seam. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Leave the comment down below what next video we should discuss in our channel. Subscribe for more video, and if you like this video, give me thumbs up.